Hello everyone, this is Ronnie Pacheco from the VIP team for Spring 2019. As part of the backlog grooming user story, these are some of the stories that I'm going to be showcasing on this particular video. VIP 19, 120, 123, and 125. So the first one is, users should be able to sort by a given column by clicking on the title of the column. So if I go here and I click on first name, now they're in ascending order, and then do it again, descending order, last name, email, as well as semester. So if we go, the next one be, user should be able to add a new user with an add user button. So if I go here and click on add new user, let's just call it, I don't know, Valentina, and then Kobo, Panther ID 1234567, email, and then a B Kobo at fiu.edu. Let's just do this. User type is a student. Rank, let's do just freshman. PI approved. Semester, no project. The student should create his own project. Let's just say this particular course. And college should be just engineering. We just go here and add. And now Valentina shows that the last user added. And we can still filter. So let's go to the next one. Users should be able to impersonate another user by selecting an eye icon next to the desired user. So let's just use Valentina here, as well as going to impersonate here. This is the I button. And now as you can see, it says welcome Valentina. And Valentina will be able to go check out the projects. And let's just go back as log out. And we'll be back as the admin, which is the professor. Let's see. Users should be able to remove a user by selecting the remove user button depicted by an X icon. So if we go back to the user maintenance tab, let's just delete the user that I just created, which is Valentina, and then I just say here, delete user. Are you sure you wish to delete this user? Yes. And now the particular user is gone. This has been Ronnie Pacheco from the VIP team for Spring 2019. Thank you for watching.